On day 2 of Tehvoor Hossain Rana's trial in a Chicago court, David Coleman Headley returned to the stand to continue to outline how he helped plot the 26/11 attack, providing even stronger evidence of ISI's role in the carnage.
While the ISI remains a very important backstory, there were fewer direct references to ISI during the second day of court. But a larger and more complicated picture emerges of the overlaps between the LET, Al-Qaeda and rogue elements of the ISI.
Well, we're not alarmed. We feel reassured that this is something that we have repeatedly been bringing to the notice of interlocutors on the other side, across the border, that we have, and our counterparts have been told this. Government of India has been making very explicit demands, both publicly as well as in private when meetings have taken place between our leaders. And the Home Minister has been repeating this again and again. Now when this is being, in a sense, being confirmed by the hearings that are taking place on foreign land, not on Indian land, not on Pakistani land, but is being confirmed in the United States of America by proceedings in court, I would imagine that everybody will sit up and take note. Those who have been in the denial mode will take note, and I hope that what we have been complaining about for years will finally be accepted by everybody, and that justice will be done to those of our people who have suffered and have suffered repeatedly at the hands of those very people who are now being blamed in court.
I'm not aware of the exact statement made by Mr. Rege. So I'm not aware of the exact statement made by Mr. Rege. But as far as the trial of David Coleman Headley is concerned, which is ongoing in Chicago right now, and the very important revelations that are coming on minute by minute, we are very confident that Government of India will be following this very closely, and whatever leads we get from it, thereafter all action will be taken and utmost diligence will be exercised to see that all the perpetrators of 26/11 and other attacks of terror are brought to justice.